Alright guys, so today or tonight is our last shift. Not this because here. It's our last shift here sa terrace for this contract. Been here for a month and a half. Tomorrow mag-drive na kami. We're gonna be driving back to Chilliwack. But yeah, it's been a great time na nandito sa terrace piece. As you can see, italigo na para mag-prepare na to work. So that's it guys. See you again. We are all set. Okay guys, so ready to work. Uniform. Ito na yung buhok natin para kasi hirap na i-style. So yun na lang. Okay pa naman. It's still okay. It's goods pa rin. So yun. Hopefully it's a good shift. Alright guys, this is it. So post night shift, lamos na, tulog na, wake up around mga 11 siguro para alis na kami punta ng Prince George and home na after tomorrow. So see ya in the next vlog. Alright guys, so this is it. We're on our way home na. Drive na to Chilliwack. Muna kami sa PG first. So yeah. Alright guys, so we're here in Prince George and so it's been 26 hours without anything we eat, so miss eat all you can pwede natin dala. Yum. Right guys, so we just arrived in our hotel. And we're gonna go down to buy some water. Hindi na mo naman ang video sa paglabas namin kasi hindi masyadong safe sa location namin at ayaw din namin i-raise yung parking spot namin para bumili ng water. Instead, ginamit na lang namin yung distilled water na natira para supposed to be sa CPAP ko. Tapos natulog na kami at bumangon ng maaga para maaga na rin maka drive papuntang bahay. Alright guys, so we're on our way home na. We're about 5 hours from Chilliwack home. If you can see, look at that guys. It's so pretty. Grabe. It's amazing. So it's about 7.5 hours drive from PG to Chilliwack. It's a bit long drive, but ayos naman ang drive because of the scenic view na madadaanan. Di ka masyadong aantukin sa drive kasi madami kang makikita. Pwede ka ding mag-stop over para mag-take ng pictures, yung pang Instagram ba. Pero sa part namin, di na siya first time. So di na kami bumaba para mag-picture taking. Usually, nagtitake kami ng time para mag-drive talaga. Pero at this time, ang ginawa namin is we just drive, stop sa kami sa gasoline station, have a pee, tapos drive na ulit. Kasi ayaw naming mahapunan sa drive. Kaya yun, gusto lang namin makauwi ng bahay para makarelax na at makakain din. So yun yung ginawa namin with this drive. So yun. Okay guys, so we're stuck on So finally, alright, finally we're home. Nakarating namin. We just arrived sa house after how many hours and days. Anyway, pero pinaka-the best dyan, may violation. Uwi na nga lang na ng traffic enforcer ng RCMP. So okay lang. Bayad-bayad lang tayo dun. Yun. Buko. Yan guys, so nakapaglinis ako ng front desk.
Are you stupid or something?
Tapos ngayon, nakain kami. So syempre, food. Ano yan? Steak yan. Kinakat ko lang. Tapos, Jollibee! Pida ang saya. And of course, healthy living na daw. So, we're eating some salad. So, yun lang.